Welcome back to Zubee's Organic Kitchen, where I share healthy recipes, tips, and the inspirations we all need to take charge of our health. Today, I wanted to quickly show you how I make my Prekese drink for high blood pressure. Keep watching. Hi guys, if you're new to this channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button for me. Let's get cooking. Hi guys. So last week I introduced you to this beautiful fruit called Prekese from Ghana. We use it for so many different ailments, one of them being high blood pressure. It could also be used to cure asthma, convulsions. Some women use it during postpartum. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how I make my high blood pressure drink with Prekese. All right, I have about three of these pieces that's broken up over here. You gotta wash it because it has some sand on it, and I'm going to put it in about 8 cups of water right here. And the only other ingredient I'm going to add will be my ginger. I usually peel it and I kind of hit it a little bit just to break it apart a little bit. All right, so this is it. I'm going to put that in there as well. And then I'm going to put it on the stove and cook it for about 30 minutes. I will show you in a minute how it looks. All right, see you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So this is my final Prekese drink. All right, usually I'll take about a cup of it first thing in the morning. And then at night before I go to bed, I take another cup. All right, this is something that you could use in conjunction with your whatever medication you're taking. For me, I had to get into it because when I take the high blood pressure medications, I tend to react. Sometimes I have swellings on my face. So I wanted to find a natural way of doing it, which resulted me in finding Prekese, and apparently it works so well. You could try it, but just remember, before you do anything, talk to your doctor and work it in. If you find that it works for you, then stick with it. All right? If you have any questions in regards to it, this drink, please feel free to give me a call. The goal is for us to keep finding natural ways of healing ourselves instead of just turning to medications. All right? This is going to be a short video, and until next time, I want you to stay healthy, I want you to stay positive, and I want you to stay happy. All right? Give us a thumbs up and like and share our videos. Stay safe and stay blessed.